In today's video, I'll teach you how to reset Payworks account password. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link login.payworks.ca. Press enter. After you do that, you'll directly be led to the login interface of Payworks. You can see over here you'll be able to log into your account. You can either log in with email address or you can also log in with customer ID. Click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, in order to reset your password, click on this option, forget your password, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, what you have to do is simply enter the email address that you use in order to log in. The reset instructions will be sent to your email. So enter your email address over here. Now after you enter the email, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the login instructions will be sent to your email. What you have to do is go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. After you do that, Gmail will be opened. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. If you have the Payworks account, you'll be able to see the email sent by the Payworks over here. Right now I haven't received the email. In that email you'll be able to see the instructions including the link and the code. So what you have to do is simply follow through the prompts. After you do that, you'll be able to reset your Payworks password. So that is how you reset Payworks account password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.